Is that good?
Oh, that's just creepy. Look
perfect?
Look at you zooming in on the camera. That's just weird. How you doing?
Good.
Look at this beard, actually.
Yeah.
It's a good look for you.
I just found out it's No Shave November.
It is No Shave November. That's why you see so many stubbly guys.
November what?
5th,
Like the
isn't it?
5th, and I just found out.
Yeah, well, that's okay. You got a head start on the rest of
Yeah.
us. I mean, most of us just started growing our beards. That's
awesome.
why we just look like homeless bums at this point. Didn't I just see that? Did I see on your Twitter or someplace that your son went as you on Halloween, or am I thinking of
It
somebody
wasn't my
else?
son. It was some
Random
It was
kid that, like,
some
put a-
random kid
that put a beard on?
Put a beard on, had the glasses, the shirt, the guitar. It was awesome.
Craig Moore.
You know you've made it.
When somebody goes, but,
Yeah.
but at the same time, it makes me wonder how many doors this kid knocked on. He said, "Who are you
Who are you
supposed,
supposed to be? Yeah. You Dirks Bentley?
Yeah, that's right. Well, no, not without the curly.
Yeah.
Well, you got curly hair.
Yeah, that's the problem.
Yeah, well, exactly. You probably get mistaken
We
for
used
Dirks
to
all
get
the
that
time.
a whole lot.
Really?
Yeah.
You and Dirks?
Yeah, a whole lot. We would talk about it, and he'd be like, man, if I'm called Craig Morgan one more time.
And Currington, too, I bet. Same
no,
thing.
never been called Billy Currington.
Really?
No. Way too manly. I'm kidding. It was a joke, Billy.
So things are going real well for you.
Couldn't be better.
Man.
Well, they could, if, you know.
Okay, well, how could they be better?
Well, we got a rep, Joe. I mentioned his name pretty regular.
Uh-huh.
If he would do a better job, that would be the only way it could go better.
Okay.
I'm kidding.
Yeah,
I'm
no,
just kidding.
as well you should be kidding.
Dude, honestly, I don't know if it could get any better. I'm in a great label. My life is good. Right today, my family's healthy. So yeah.
And the
I'm
music
happy.
and the music is good.
Biggest song of my career.
It's a great song. I remember
Thank you.
hearing that for the first time. Probably this time? No, not this time. Was it around March, February,
Yeah,
or something like that?
Yeah.
I remember hearing that and thinking to myself, I actually heard that before. I heard it cut by somebody else
Yeah.
that never got released.
Yeah.
But I remember as soon as I heard the first verse, I'm thinking, I know this song before and I know where this is going. And wow, Wake Up Loving You, great
I'm
song.
telling you, man. I've had a lot of hits.
Yeah, you have.
And not too long ago. I mean, it was just recently with This Old Boy, big, huge
Mm-hmm.
hit. So more trucks and cars.
Yeah.
When this thing came out, I told everybody when we recorded, I said, this is going to be the biggest song of my career.
And that's going a piece.
I'm
When
telling-
you
yeah.
look back at, I mean, that's what I love about Sunday.
Most played song of the year.
Up to this point, I would say that's your signature
Yeah.
song.
Yeah.
And
Almost Home?
among that one,
Interesting Harvester.
Redneck
Redneck
Yacht
Yacht
Club, Bonfire. We can just keep going.
So that's and for me, it gives me a lot of confidence because I have had a lot of hits and we've been very fortunate. But when I sing this and the audience instantly is attracted to this song and they relate, it's like, and they sing along.
Yeah.
They never heard it before and they start singing along. So we'll see.
And it's a different vocal range for you too.
Oh yeah,
you have to really push yourself when you get to that chorus.
Yeah, it's about 2.5 octaves on that song.
Did you hurt yourself to like pull a muscle the first time you tried to sing
I
it?
blowed something out. I'm kidding.
You and I talked about this on the phone when you put out your record, the new. It's new.
September.
It's new in
Yeah.
hits, yeah. But basically,
Yeah.
I mean, it's new versions of
Yep.
those hits that you've done before.
Right.
You had a chance to go back in and recut a lot of those songs that you just mentioned, or we both just mentioned. When you did that, did you say to yourself, "Hey, it was perfect the way it was before"? Why mess with it?
It's always everything can always be better. I think.
Yeah.
It was really cool though to re-record them because I felt like I'm singing better than some of these songs were
10 years ago.
10 years ago, yeah. So to go back in, I felt like I've learned a lot in the process of singing out on the road and just felt like I did a better job vocally than the previous. And man, we made a lot of technologies in 10 years in production.
Yeah, that's right.
So it was.
But
it was a lot of fun.
sometimes it makes it too easy to be too slick.
Yeah, well, that's one thing we've never done and we don't do now. A lot of guys will go in and they might sing a song 10 or 15 times to get pieces of the song.
Uh-huh.
I think I sang every one of these songs that I re-sang. I only sang them. The one I sang the most was 3 times, and we comped it out of three takes. Some of them were the actual scratch vocals.
Because you've been singing them for so many years.
Yeah,
if you mess up
exactly.
a song you've been doing on the road for 10 years, you got a problem.
Oh, I will do that now. I'll forget the words to a song I wrote.
Oh, that's sad. Please don't do that. And by the way, next year you ought to package up the Craig Morgan Halloween costume and try and make a couple of bucks out of it or something like that.
Yeah, we might sell one.
Yeah, exactly.
One.
Great to see you, my friend.
You too, buddy.